So what the question says, that there's a bag and the bag has 20 balls, and these balls are white, green and red. So we have to pick up balls blindfoldedly without replacing, to be assured that we pick up at least one ball of each color. That means when we take out the balls, the number should be such that one ball of each color is taken out. So what are such minimum numbers? So this is what we have to find out from the options. So let's say this is our bag. Now it is given that we have got 8 green plus 7 white plus 5 red. So now we are picking up balls and we don't know what color it is coming. So the worst case is that first 8 balls we pick up, they're all green. So we still don't have balls of all 3 colors. The another worst possibility is we pick up all 7 more balls, they are all white. So again red color is missing. But suppose if we pick one more ball, this is the worst case, then this has to be red. So that means when we pick up 16 balls, we'll have one ball of each color. So our answer is option B.